If you need to reset your password on Chime, follow these straightforward steps to regain access to your account. This guide will help you through the process quickly and easily. Step 1. Open the Chime app. Launch the Chime app on your mobile device or visit the Chime website on your computer. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login screen, look for the Forgot Password link and click on it to initiate the password reset process. Step 3. Enter your email or phone number. Provide the email address or phone number associated with your Chime account. This is necessary for receiving the password reset link. Step 4. Check your email or SMS. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Create a new password. Once you access the password reset page, enter a new password that meets Chime's security requirements. Confirm it, then save your changes. After completing these steps, you should be able to log into your Chime account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Chime's customer support for assistance.